Stop by and take a look at the 2019 Tahoe. Tahoe has been the best-selling sports utility vehicle, accounting annually for more than 25% of all full-size SUV registrations in the United States, and is priced below $75,000. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: heated seats, power passenger seat, power lift gate, traction control, navigation system, dual airbags, air conditioning, power steering, remote vehicle start, alloy wheels. A vehicle like this doesn't come along every day. Come in and get it before someone else does.